Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T and let me show you how to show battery percentage on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings and find display. Here we've got notch and status bar, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got battery indicator options, so let's enter. As you can see now, we've got only graphical options, so we've got only the battery percentage, but we can set it in the battery icon. And as you can see inside the battery icon, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery, or simply we can set it right next to the battery icon. And as you can see, it also immediately appears. So it's up to you how you want to set it. So that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.